Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss about some problem which is based on Laplace transform and continuous LTI system. So the first question is we have to find out the Laplace transform x of s of this given function xt, and we have to also sketch the pole 0 with ROC for this function. So first of all, let's try to solve this question for x of s. So what will be the x of s? X of s is for this function e to the power minus 2t ut. What will be there? 1 by s plus 2. Ut is there, so s plus 2 should be greater than 0, means real part of s should be greater than minus 2. This is the Laplace transform of e to the power minus 2t ut. Now 3t ut is 1 by s plus 3. So what will be ROC here? Minus 3. Up to here all things are clear. Is it okay? Now, so what will be the Laplace of xt? Is x of s is 1 by s plus 2 plus of 1 by s plus 3. Clear? And about ROC, ROC is, for this one ROC is minus 3 to infinity, and for this one minus 2 to infinity. So common part between these two are greater than. ROC will be R1 intersection R2. Is that clear? So it will be greater than minus 2. Now how we can represent this one graphically? So this is minus 2 suppose, and this is minus 3. So this is the pole here, and now our ROC is like this. Now suppose if u of minus t is there, then that one will be, suppose in previous problem xt, which is e to the power minus 2t ut and plus of e to the power minus 3t u of minus t. So what will be the Laplace for this one? Is similar as previous one, is 1 by s plus 2, and ROC will be greater than minus 2, and for e to the power minus 3t u of minus t is there, then 1 by s plus 3 will be there, So here suppose minus taken, because for minus it will be plus, so I am going to take here the minus sign. Okay, now for this one it will be like this, and ROC is less than minus 3. So just go through the graphical representation here, minus 2, here minus 3. So this statement says that our ROC should be greater than minus 2, means it will lie on rightmost side of minus 2. Is that clear? And this statement say that the ROC will be less than minus 3, means it will be left side of minus 3. So there is no common part between these two statement or condition. So the Laplace of this we can write here, x of s, no problem, 1 by s plus 2 plus 1 by s plus 3, but ROC does not exist. But ROC does not exist. Now just see here carefully. So for ROC, convergence required, Laplace transform convergence required. Okay. So if no ROC is there, then no Laplace transform. So I have written Laplace transform, but no Laplace transform exists for this function, because ROC is not there. No ROC means no Laplace transform. Is that clear? So we have to note down here one point, that every two-sided signal may have or may have not Laplace transform. It totally depends on ROC. Okay, so it may be it has Laplace transform, maybe it has not Laplace transform. So if ROC is there, valid ROC is there, then we can say the xt has Laplace transform, otherwise not. So this is not the correct Laplace transform of the given function. So using this problem, I have seen that which one has the correct Laplace transform, or which is a valid Laplace transform or not. Okay. Now next question. Age. Suppose here one inductor is there and capacitor is connected like this. Resistor is parallel to this section here, and now one switch is here and another one resistor is connected at load end. Is that clear? This one has value 10 volt and one IT is passing through this. .5 Henry inductance and 1/20 farad capacitance. Now this is the 5 ohm resistance and this is the 2 ohm resistance. The switch is in closed position. First of all, starting switch is in closed position. So the switch is in closed position and now I am going to open it for t greater than 0 or 2 equals to 0. For t equals to 0, it will be, this will be plus minus. Now for this system, when switch is in closed position for long time, before it is opened at t is equals to 0, so when switch is in closed position, then our circuit look like this. Is that clear? So this is 10 volt, this one is IT, this is 0.5 Henry and this is 1/20 farad, 5 ohm and 2 ohm. Is that clear? Now when switch is closed for long time, the capacitor voltage is charged to 10 volt and there is no current flowing in the capacitor. The inductor behaves as a short circuit. Why? Because constant current is flowing through this. So if constant current is flowing through this, then it will behave such short circuit. Now, so the inductor current will be what? The inductor current will be 10 by 5, it's a 2 ampere. But when switch is on, then this section will be open. Now the total current flow in this like this. Follow this path. So the previous one, current, which is 2 ampere, it says that I of 0 minus will be 2 ampere, and previous voltage says that this is will be 10 volt. Is that clear? Now it can be represented as 10 ut. If Vt we can have to write like ut. Why I have written ut? So for t greater than 0 it will be 1, or for t less than 0 it will be 0. Clear? So now loop equation we can write here. The loop equation that SIS by 2 minus of 1 plus 2 of IS plus 20 by SIS plus 10 by S is equals to 10 by S. Now based on this equation we can find out the IS here. So IS will be 2S by S square plus 4S plus 40. So this is the Laplace of IT. So IT we can find out using inverse Laplace transform. Using inverse Laplace transform, so partial fraction method, using partial fraction method we can find out. I am not deriving all things here, just giving you the basic concept and how you can find out. That is, it's a 2 cos of 60 I have derived, and I have done so many practice regarding this type of question. So our system we can represent in Laplace form is like this. So here IS is flowing. Now 10 by S will be there, and this one will be S by 2. This one will be 1. Here minus plus will be there. Here plus minus. Here minus plus. Minus plus. Sorry, plus plus plus. Minus plus minus it should be there. So it should be plus minus. Okay, now this one is 20 by S. This one will be 20 by S, and this one is 10 by S. Is that clear? Now here for 2 ohm it will be 2 as it is. Now IS is flowing through this, and I have written this equation based on this structure, and this structure is nothing but the Laplace of the given structure. Is that clear? So this equation is valid for ut, as ut valid. So this equation we can write here, the e to the power minus 2t 2 cos of 60 minus 2 by 3 sine of 60 is valid for t greater than equals to 0. Why? Because Vt is there. So this current is valid for t greater than equals to 0. Now for here 0 minus means t is less than 0. So it will be equal to for I 0 plus. So we can write here I 0 plus is equal to I 0 minus, which is equal to 2. Clear? Now maybe this type of problem you can face, so you have to solve like this. Okay. Now for bilingual batch, you can join our session. That one will be our paid session. So if you want to join, then you can follow me on YouTube. Thank you.